Oh, what's this in here? It's a figure that I wanted for a long time, and you guys are going to see a review of it. Hunt for the Decepticons Sea Spray. Look at that! A Hunt for the Decepticons Autobot Breacher to go with Sea Spray. Yeah, you're definitely going to see a review on this, so huge thanks to Chris for that. And what else is in here? I'm not even gonna look. Hunt for the Decepticons Legends Class Long Haul, and Hunt for the Decepticons Legends Class Override. A green Miru that comes from Kongu. The mask that came with Rahaga Norik. Next up, what we got is a Halo Mega Bloks Bravo Series pack. And I got Transformers Universe, not Cybertron, but Transformers Universe Robots in Disguise. It says that on the box. Undermine. Transformers Robots in Disguise Starscream. Yes, finally, I got it. This is a Battle Blade Bumblebee. We've got the French Fry Inator. That's what I'm going to call him. Little robot heroes. I think that's what the line was. Optimus Prime, Galvatron, and Optimus Primal. Yes, because it's been something that I've really wanted, but I have not had the luck of finding, so... yeah, we're going to open this. I'm just going to say ahead of time, I really do appreciate what's in this box, because it is awesome and dandy and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and open it up. A blackjack in my collection. First off, I really love Legends Class. Second, this was the only Combiner Wars figure that I really needed to complete Menasor. And guess what? I have all the Stunticons with me, so I am going to combine this before the video ends because I want to see how that looks. I am really happy. And I'm going to say right now, I love this wrapping you got. There's something about it, I'm just so fascinated with it. It kind of looks like my kitchen floor, and I like it. Let's go ahead and show off what's inside. So the first thing we have is the Generations Deluxe Class Red Alert. But that's not all. He also sent me Deluxe Class Sideswipe. That seems like so long now. But anyways, with that said, I thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and all those fun doodads. And I will see you guys next time.